If you need to find your Epic Games account ID, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to locate it on the Epic Games website in just a few steps. This is useful if you need your account ID for support, account verification, troubleshooting, or linking services to your Epic account. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to the official Epic Games website. Once the page loads, log in using the account you want to check. Make sure you're signed into the correct account, especially if you have more than one Epic Games profile. After you're logged in, look to the top right corner of the page where your display name appears. Now hover over your display name. A small menu should appear. From that menu, click on Account. This will take you to your account settings page, where you can manage your profile and view important account details. On the account page, look for the Account Information section. Under that section, you'll see your Epic Games account ID. It's usually shown as a long string of numbers and letters, and that is the unique ID tied to your account. If you need to copy it, simply highlight it and paste it where needed. That's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can find your Epic Games account ID without having to dig through complicated menus. If this video saved you time, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.